The Antikythera Mechanism, a window to the ancient world.
Discovered in 1901 off the coast of Greece, the Antikythera Mechanism stunned researchers with its complexity. Dating back over 2,000 years, this device is often called the world's first analog computer. Crafted with bronze gears and intricate dials, its design challenges modern assumptions about ancient technology and invites us to rethink what early engineers were capable of achieving.
An engineering marvel of bronze gears.
At its heart, the Antikythera Mechanism contains more than 30 carefully cut gears. These gears were arranged in layers, turning together with incredible precision. By winding a handle, users could simulate the motions of the sun, moon, and planets. The mechanism translated complex celestial cycles into easy-to-read displays, proving ancient Greeks mastered advanced mechanical engineering.
Predicting celestial events.
The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't just a timepiece. It was a sophisticated tool for tracking astronomical phenomena. It could predict lunar and solar eclipses, monitor the phases of the moon, and chart the positions of planets. Markings on its face matched known ancient Greek calendars, making it a valuable resource for scholars, navigators, and perhaps even astrologers.
Lost knowledge and rediscovery.
What makes the Antikythera Mechanism so remarkable is that devices of similar complexity would not appear again for more than 1,000 years. Its secrets were hidden until researchers used X-rays and 3D imaging to piece together how it worked. This rediscovery shows how advanced ancient engineers were and highlights the loss of technical knowledge across the centuries.
A legacy in science and inspiration.
The Antikythera Mechanism continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and the curious alike. Its discovery pushes us to question what we think we know about the history of technology. As researchers decipher its remaining mysteries, the mechanism remains a powerful symbol of human ingenuity and the timeless spirit of discovery.